Hey guys, and welcome to a video of Marvel Trades DIY. It's Tia here, and I am going to be making some eternal flowers with some items that I found from Dollar Tree. These are the same items that you saw from my Dollar Tree haul, so make sure you check that video out too. And now let's begin. So I start with taking the measurements of my box, and I start to find out how I want my flower to be. Now the original Eternal box flower, their flowers are a little bit up and a little bit pushed in inside, so then none of the leaves or anything shows. So with that in my mind, I measured the flowers and I cut them with my pliers. And now with our box, I am going to be spray painting them. These are the two spray paints that I picked. I was choosing whether I should do gold or if I should do white, and in this case I chose to do white. So I made sure I got it on all sides of the box and also in the inside too. I did that because I don't want the design or the original design of the box to show. So that's why just a light little spray paint in the inside was just that I needed. Going to carefully be poking them inside. basically our first box, and it just looks phenomenal. I am in love with it. It is so cute, and with that joy in me, I created another one. So with that, I'm also going to be giving you some extra, touch-ups that you want to do. You can use some pearl, the pearl stickers. I specifically got these red ones, and I am going to be putting them on to the small one too. Just, an example to show you. And then you can also use these adorable artificial flowers that I found from Dollar Tree lately. They looked so cute, and I had to get these. So you can also put those onto your eternal flowers, and there. That is how you can just prep these up and make them a bit more cute. Check these out. These are so adorable. I am seriously in love with these. I just can't even wrap my mind off of these. They just look so adorable and exactly like the ones that I was trying to recreate. I mean, seriously, people literally buy these for $400. Yeah, that's the maximum price. And here I just made these under $7. Isn't that crazy? I can't even believe this. They look so adorable, and they look exactly like the ones from the high-end stores, I guess. And I can't even, I love both of them. And yeah, so that is a wrap-up of our video. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. And yeah, seriously, people spend so much money just to get these, and I just made it at my house. You can do it too. So that is the end, and I will see you in my next video. Now let's just spread the love. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!